Alif Lam Mim. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. صدق الله العظيم. So this morning I read the first page of Surah Al-Baqarah, which is from verse 1 to verse 5. So I thought of sharing it with you all, and also I learned lessons from it. I'm also going to be sharing the lessons, inshallah.
لا يزال الخير حيا لا يزال إن في الدنيا سلاما وظلال أخبر الأيام أنها في وصال قم بنا وانظر لآيات الجمال قم بنا وانظر لآيات الجمال.
The lessons I learned when I revised this surah is that see how Allah started it. Alif Lam Mim. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه. The word Alif Lam Mim, some scholars they said it is the word of challenge. And this challenge is for the Arabs, those who owns the language, which is Arabic. So Allah is using their letters to challenge them. He said, Alif Lam Mim. The Arabs, is this not your? And this is not just the place Allah has mentioned Alif Lam Mim. We have so many surahs in the Quran, like Alif Lam Mim Ra, and Qaf, Nun, Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Sod. So many letters of the Arabic that Allah has used in the Quran. And some scholars said these letters is letters of challenge. So Allah is challenging them. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ. This Quran is an undoubtable book. So you can't doubt the Quran. The words Allah has written in the Quran, the meaning, every word of the Quran is undoubtable. What Allah has said inside it is just how it is. It can't be changed, and you just have to believe it. Then these Arabs, they doubted this book. They doubted Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They said Prophet Muhammad wrote the Quran, and the Quran is not from God, like it is from the Prophet. Then this is just a way Allah is replying them. Alif Lam Mim. Mashallah. Also, you are an Arab, right? And you are familiar with this word. Then bring something similar to the Quran. So bring something similar to this letter and bring something similar to the Quran. But unfortunately, the Arabs couldn't bring something like the Quran, even when it is their letters. You understand? So this verse is really a reminder. It reminds us that if we don't know something, we shouldn't be doubting it. At least be sure when something is clear to you, you can see the truth. Stop doubting, because the truth is clear already. Allah has told us that the Quran is undoubtable. Even if you want to doubt any other thing, you see the Quran, you shouldn't doubt it. It is clear. And why shouldn't we doubt the Quran? Allah said we shouldn't doubt it because it is hudan lil muttaqin. So it is a guidance for those who are pious, who are mindful of Allah. If you claim you are a believer and you are mindful of Allah, then the Quran is here to guide you and you shouldn't doubt it. Also, I learned that those that are the believers, Allah also described them. Who are these believers? Who are these pious people? Allah said, الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْغَيْبِ وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ. Those who believe in the unseen, وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ, and they establish their salat. وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ, and from what we have provided for them, they spend. So this is also a lesson that anything Allah has provided for us is for Allah. It's not from our own power or from the job we've done. No, every provision is from Allah, because Allah said it in this surah. He said, وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ, from what we have given to them. So Allah said it that He is the one who has given us that provision. And the believers are the one that spend from what we have given to them. So this is what I learned from this surah today. In short, I love it. Quran is a reminder for every one of us. If you want to be conscious of Allah, you want to remind the word of your Lord, just recite the Quran. You will know the essence of your existence. So I hope you also benefit from this video, and inshallah, anything I'm learning, I'll be bringing it up here to educate you too, so you can benefit. May Allah reward us and bless us with more knowledgeable lessons like this. Jazakumullahu khairan. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you benefit and understand one or two things. The Quran shouldn't be doubted. We shouldn't doubt the Quran. Any word that is in the Quran, anything mentioned, we shouldn't doubt it, because it is true. It is true, and from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Jazakumullahu khairan. Thank you so much for listening. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.